Hello everyone, and welcome to another video presentation courtesy of the University of North Texas Physics Department with the assistance of the Physics Demo Room. My name is Corey Nook, and today we'll be giving over a demonstration called Pascal's Vases. So Pascal's Vases is to help illustrate a concept of pressure and of fluids. So Pascal's Vases is talking about pressure in that I have these four different vases that all have the same common reservoir. And Pascal stated that even though they're all different shapes with the relatively same size here, that since they all have a common reservoir, due to the external pressure of the atmosphere, that all of these will rise to the same height. And they all rise because of the pressure will equal to the density of the fluid times the gravity times the height of the fluid. It doesn't necessarily tell us about the shape of the overall container itself. Now this is assuming that you're not getting the shape is really, really thin to where it might be called a capillary, in which that's a different concept. So now what I'm going to do for you, so I've got this funnel, I've just got some water that has some red dye to help visually see it a little bit better. And I'm just going to pour this slowly in. And you can see that all of these are about the same height, even though they have different shapes. So Pascal was able to explain why does this phenomenon happen, because of the external pressure acting on it is equal on all three vases. Now if I wanted to, I could probably blow a little bit in here and these three levels will rise up. Let's see if I can do that quickly. Hopefully you saw that changed as that one went down, the others went up slightly. And probably be more prevalent. I went over here. And as you can see, all three of those rose because one of the pressures was there because these are all connected. So if I pushed here, it's going to push on the other side and create more pressure. So thank you for watching this short video presentation and have a wonderful day.